Hi guys!
This is my Mima.
This is Sarella for today's video. Uh, Dito sa ating kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ito ha, medyo ano to ha. Mahirap na question ha. What can you do to help those homeless people?
Give donate if there was calamities, or give food or money, or old clothes that you don't use.
Wow, yun, tama yun. Parang yung sinasabi mo dun sa mga affected ng calamities. For those,
Yun,
po,
give food.
for those talagang yung nakikita mo sa mga streets lang natutulog, no?
Yes.
Okay. Ang bait naman ni Arella, di ba?
And our new lesson was don't lose hope.
Sa school. What do you mean ba pag sinabi mo don't lose hope?
It's like this kasi you're looking forward to. Example, this is a stairs, diba?
Hmm.
It's a very long stairs. You will do it until here. You're in the halfway down na.
Hmm.
But there's monsters.
Okay.
You will not give up agad because that means you're a quitter. You have to conquer those monsters if you want to go to the top. But will you just go back down?
Hmm.
What if you go up and the stairs disappear na? How about that? What are you gonna do?
Okay. So, parang mawawala na yung opportunity mo kapag if you go down, no? But if nga, pag nawalang bigla yung stairs, well, you are right naman. Medyo malalim yun Maintindihan kaya yun ng mga kids na mga nanonood sa atin. So, don't lose hope. Nice quote naman yun. Siguro, sample sa inyo ni teacher yon. But if there's monster, if there are monsters, will you still continue going up, or you will just go back? No? Naintindihan ko naman. Sana
And if you
naintindihan.
go back down, you're gonna start it all again.
All over again, yes. Okay. Okay, nice naman yon. So, don't lose hope, okay?
Okay.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
God bless.